Hi, this is Steve from Chimney Rock Themes, and today I'm going to show you how to hide your sidebar on your WooCommerce store. Now, the sidebar can be a useful tool, or it can really hinder your site by just clogging up your pages. And it shows up on all of your pages: the blog, the home, the cart, the checkout, and my account. The first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a child theme. Now, I'm using the standard storefront theme as an example. So in the style CSS, we're going to create a new child theme, and then we're going to create a functions file to put our custom code. So let's go ahead and activate the child theme and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a function, and this is going to control where we're going to show the sidebar and where we're going to hide it. So I'm just going to call it CRM hide sidebar. I'm going to pass in two parameters. One is active sidebar, and the second one is index. So the sidebar we're talking about is called sidebar 1. So we're saying now that if the index is not equal to sidebar 1, then simply return the active sidebar. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to customize this on the product page. So we're going to use a function called isProduct. And if the page is product, then what are we going to do? Well, we're going to return the value of false. So just type that in here. And now if it's on the product page, it will hide the sidebar. So when we refresh, well, nothing happens. And the reason for that is that we have not called this function, so we need to use a filter hook in order to do that. But let's finish our code first. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to say that if it is not the products in this else statement, then just simply return isActive sidebar. Now, let's call this function with a filter. So we're going to say add filter. And the filter hook that we're going to use is isActive sidebar. And we have to use a callback function that we just typed in, which is CRM hide sidebar. And we're going to give this a priority of 10-2. Now, when we go back over to the product page and refresh, well, our sidebar is now hidden, so that's great. Now, if we go to the other pages, like the home page or the cart, the sidebar is still showing, so let's take care of those next. Now, it's up to you to decide where to hide or show your sidebar. So let's take the example of, let's say you wanted to hide it on the catalog page. Well, WooCommerce calls this isArchive instead of catalog. And so we're going to say an OR statement, isArchive, and refresh. And now the sidebar is hidden on the shop page. So let's take a look at another example, the cart page. So in order to do this, we're going to add another condition, isCart, which is another WooCommerce function. And so now when we refresh, it's going to be hidden on the cart page. Now the last thing we want to do is hide it on the My Account page. So we're going to add another condition called isPageMyAccount. And then let's save that and refresh. Go to the account page, and it's gone. So that's how you hide the sidebar where you want it using code with WooCommerce. So if you'd like to do this without code, and you can download one of our themes and simply navigate to the customizer, go to the page you want to hide or show the sidebar, and press a button. I'll give you a download link to our themes in the description below. Thank you.